guest. Let me ask you, kisang to ang guest for today. I will give you 3 choices.
Mickey Mouse.
Is it Ronald McDonald? B. Is it Hamburglar? C. Is it Birdie? Or D. Is it Grimace?
A.
Who is it? Shara ang nilahutay for 8 years. Sa tanang character siya ang nilahutay. Parang yung isa nila ang mulahutay. Letter B. B. Sige.
Nine prize ang makanser?
Yes po. Taga ang prize.
Letter D.
Letter D. Teacher. Teacher, siya may God. Okay na, sir. Kapag yes, yes, come on. Letter D. Letter B kay ma'am. Sige, let's go. 10. Come on. 9.
8. 7. 6.
5. 4. 3. 2.
Nadyak Erin.
Another day, another party. Come on.
Sayo, koy, tubad sayo.
So you have to dance. Come on. You have to engage.
Adlock si Erin, adlock.
Come on, Grimace. Ate Emma, join Grimace.
Erin, adlock. Erin dance.
Ate Lisa, come on. Wala. You're such a customer. Pasayawin mo. Alright, so Grimace will only stay here for 10 minutes. So let's utilize that time for photo opportunities. So, Grimace, come on. Move backward. Kids, forward.
Erin dance and I prize.
Isa sa yung kanina na letter D. Si Ma'am. Here. For you. Next. Now, since Grimace is already here, let me ask you, what is this Grimace's favorite food?
Ubi halaya.
Or probably dessert? Very good job from si Ma'am. Give me the answer. Si Ma'am. Si ano? Sige, I'll let you choose. Pick one. Alright, after this, let's have our photo opportunity, guys. So, we're requesting the celebrant. Si Miko sa series sa Tubangan. And with Grimace. Alright. Sige.
Mga Indian mug.
Sige, Grimace, stay put. Stay put sa.
Yun yung mug yun.
Si Miko. Miko. Ate M, ready your camera. Sorry, Miko. Ready your camera, Ate M. And center ka. Picture sa ta, picture.
Gamay lagi sila.
Sige, Miko, smile.
Gamay siya. Cute din yung hustle.
Can you do the McDonald's sign, Miko? Like this?
Sana! Letter M! Yay!
Yeah.
Bidaan!
Bakit kita po first picture?
Sorry.
Lang ko ko rin, sir. Sige, nakita. Okay, you're touching other kids? All kids. Come on, kids.
Picture ka ko eh.
Come on.
Sorry,
Come on, kids.
Sorry,
Lenny Brothers.
Sige, ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Everybody say cheese. Wow, how cute. Sige, waki. Waki sa waki. Waki sa serve mo. Give me a waki. Alright, thank you. Napala, sige, go. Come on. Miko, stay there, Miko. Stay there, Miko.
Ako rin kami nakaw, tapos pati mo. Brother, sister. Yes. Pagkits kayo pamilya, oh. Dapat malulasi. Alright.
Dili si Miko. It's okay, Miko. Alright, thank you. 12. Okay.
Sila yung kapatid niya.
Kailan ka, kuya?
Kuya, kami
Ikaw lang
kuya.
kami. Kamu, kuya.
Okay, sir. Dili kami masakitan. Close, okay? Alright, thank you. Nakilas.
Hindi na ano ka. Happy family.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Wow! Congratulations, Miko! Thank you so much, Grumes, for coming here. Alright, it's time to say goodbye to Grumes. Bye, Grumes. See you around. Say bye-bye sa. Oh, napilas. Papapicture to the king.
See you sa Jollibee.
Okay.
Sir, triple kill na to. Bye, Grumes. Thank you. Bye! Alright, abit yung kalimod ko. Magula pa na, guys. One last game! Come on! Hindi na siya kailangan mo tayo. Utok na ito gamitan natin. This is like for a thinking game. This is what we call a category game. So, I need volunteers! Come on! Volunteers! Mag-name drop sa nairing na pita. Kaya mark na maluya man.
Erin, apil na.
Sige, apil ka. Erin. Miko, come on.
So, yay.
Sige, I still need more. Kita ko lang kadula ganina. Come on, isa. Sister. Dali na kayo guys. Like, category, meaning, if may yung sila dito na, first category, animals, then you have to provide different animals. But you have to follow the 3 rules. So we have 3 rules for this game.
Nadlock ka.
Si Sir naka-blue. Dili si Sir, kapakit na lang siya. Sige, Sir. Last na ni.
Gani. Apil siya.
Sige, kasi hala, pagpalupin mo mga adults sa mga kids, di ba wala pa ang kadula mo?
Apil na.
Ano naman? Joy. Mama, tindog na ka, ma'am. Natawa na sa mami, papa, siya kayo nakatulang sa iyong pag-eskwela. Si Sir Yonex. Si Sir, kasi hindi siya may kumino. Thank you kayo, sir. Si Melanie, kikatang na ako. Ano yung Melanie?
Ay, napil na.
Ma'am Girly. Very cute kaya ang name. Very girly. Ma'am Carla. Ano, Ma'am Carla, I see. Ma'am Aina.
Ikaw na.
Ibang takta ng partihan. Saan ka matawagan?
Ikaw wala.
Sige, move closer to each other, guys. Sige.
Yung gasa,
This is what we call category game. We have 3 rules. Rule number 1, you have to answer within 3 seconds. Once you have like the whole fight, you have to answer now. Dili ko answer in chorus, answer lang one by one. Once na ang microphone, tsaka na mo answer. Second rule, or number 2 rule, is that do not repeat what the other contestants answers or respond. Mingon siyang dog, hindi po kang dog, automatic out. Then, third rule is that do not answer me irrelevant answers. When I say give me different animals and you answer me apple, and diretso out, okay? Sige, ready? Ma-out, pangatahon.
Dinosaur pwede, dinosaur? Dinosaur man.
Yes, sir, pwede rin dinosaur, sir. Pwede ba, sir?
Pwede rin
Para di ba, sir, pwede kayo, sir.
Pwede dinosaur na.
Sige, okay, check. Very good. Now kita ako. Just kidding. Alright. Sige, basta tanay niya. First category. Paano na siya ma-answer? Sige. Eh, dili siya, pwede na na mo coach niya. Pero, pakuha na lang. Go get someone na mukulit niya. Mamila! Oh, si Mamila, come on! Mamila, dili ka mo answer, pero siya rin mo answer. Tuluyan lang mo siya. Okay, I think everyone is ready? Pahirahin kamay. Ate M. Lower. Okay. First category. Give me, easy na ba? Give me different fruits. Mango! Oh! Aries, trial pa to. Di ko na matatang bala. Trial. So remember, Aries, ayaw airfit ang answer sa ubang contestants. Okay? Pag may mango, mag-pineapple ka. Sige. In 3, 2, 1, give me different animals that live in ocean. Shark. 3, 2,
Well, 3, 2.
Mango, come on!
Dolphin. Turtle, very good. Starfish.
Shark! Oh, sorry, what's your out, dear? Ate Emma, give them ano prize. Sige, next.
Ngayon ka baby shark.
Baby.
Namay shark na ko. Namay baby shark.
Sige, nawasan pa ako ng baby shark, father shark, isa pa ng lolo shark. Sige, next. Give me cartoon characters. International. Any cartoon characters. Mickey Mouse. Bugs Bunny. Tiger. Si Ma'am Melanie kay bukan na siya, di siya tiglatong mga cartoon characters. Sorry kayo guys. Erwin, kunyala ng mga genius. Ma'am Melanie, thank you so much with your out. Sige, move closer guys. Give me different colors.
Red.
Green.
Yellow.
Yellow. Wala ka.
Wala pa.
Purple. 3, 2.
Blue. Dito yung Ma'am Carla ka ba? Doon dito yun eh. Thank you, Ma'am Carla. Ma'am Carla and Ma'am Kyla. Mga cute mga name, guys.
Sounds like...
Sige.
1. Sunday.
Give me things that you can see in your room.
3,
Bed.
3, 2, 3.
Balloon in your room. Bakit tayo birthday niya magdala siya doon? Sige, go, Alexa.
3. Mirror. 3. Go. 3, 2, 1.
Alright, you're out. Magyapon niyo lang nga. Out. Sige, next. Give me different brand. Any brand. Shoes, bags, toy. That will do.
What do you mark? 9. Hey.
Adidas yung game, Adidas. Naikahumong yung likod. Toyota.
Uniqlo. 3, 2, 1.
Tama na siya, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you. Wala na mo. Salamat kayo sa pag-coach akong bata. Next. Give me the subject sa elementary. 3, 2, 1.
3, 2. English. Science. 3.
Religion?
Yeah. This is NRC.
Zubing mo ato.
NRC. Good manners and right conduct.
ABC, I think that's part of English. The ABC thing. Do you have ABC subject?
No.
Wala. Oh, you're out. Siyempre yung wala.
PE yung tatakoy.
Okay.
PE, no?
Next. Give me different
Sports ba?
planets. Saturn, right? Saturn. Nakatulong din sa sun.
Mars.
Jupiter.
3, 2, 1.
Wala na. Nagpipigit yung Nico. Just kidding po. Thank you, ma'am. Kenny. Closer. Give me the names of the Disney princesses.
3, 2, 1. Elsa. 3.
Si Mami Aina, Disney Princess.
Wala si Master ba? Wala. Oh! Because actually, before I voted kay answer, you can also say
Dance.
Ate Kyla, Disney Princess.
Disney sa ganon. Ako ang Disney princess. Ako na ito si Moana, guys. Salamat sa Damageti. Just kidding. Ano siya tatanong si Moana? Siya tatanong guys. Pero pang ano lang siya? Pang private. Congratulations, Miko! Wow! Sabay si Miko, ano? Wow! Sige, last guys! Napatay na guys. Ako ni Hukdun. Kailangan ko hold akong prize before ko mamauli. Bring me guys! Dili siya exciting, pero ganun kung mag-bring me dun mo.
Cebu Pacific. Cebu Pac.
Sige, bring me! Ang makadawat, ang makadala sa akong
Bring me ko yung mga
ipa-bring, makadawat, one peso. Sige, bring me the food.
Bring me ko yun.
Sige, bring me
Ay, wala.
a rosary.
Rosary.
Yung pumasok ko na rosary. Ano na siya? Wow! Thank you, Miko! Thank you! Sige, next. Bring me the new 1,000 bill.
Okay.
The new
Makoy. Very good.
Sige, next. Bring me
Aaron, dali, Aaron.
225 centavos.
Wala tayo 20 points eh.
225 centavos. Walkable. Yes, box. That will do. You. Oh, nagalay si sir. Sir, next time ako niyo, sir. Ako na ni?
Naulahin.
Kwarta ako pa-bring me. Kung mga wala mo kwarta kayo, sorry kayo na sa kalibista.
Thank you, sir.
Sige. Bring me a white strand of hair.
Ay, Lola, Lola.
Sige na, ikaw, guess what? One lang, ha? Simag ka ako may mabulukon.
Wala pa.
Sagawa na kasi ba? Yay!
Manana, din.
Sige, bring me the most beautiful person here in McDonald's. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Not ako. Tingnan. Napa. Sige, bring me the most pinaka-cute sa mga kids. Sige, natin yung hilang nun. Tarong-tarong na yung bibit. Pinaka-cute. Sorry, guys. Baby, mami. Ala, di ba cute? Sorry. Ala, di ba mga cute? Wala kong ibang pala sa yung mga parents here. Sige.
Cute.
Okay, last two. Bring me a watch. Watch. Namili na po ako talo dali ha. Alright, thank you. Si Ma'am.
Girlie.
Ma'am Girlie. Thank you so much, guys. So I think this will be the end of our workout. Thank you kayo guys for participating. And of course, itong mga kids ang makagawan sa Happy Meal Toy. So kids, please follow line.
Fall in line, Bebe. Fall in line. Biko, fall in line.
Si Biko ang muhatag. Come on, Biko. Please distribute your toy. And, dito ka na balloons. Balloons. Oh, yeah. Sige. Also, balloons.
Tarpaulin, pwede na tarpaulin.
Wala lang akong tarpaulin, sir. Balloon chocolate sugar. Sir, that's Jollibee. Don't forget to say thank you.
Thank you. Koy, say thank you. Thank you. Balon kayo, ganahan ka?
Wow.
Balon eh. Balon ba? Pati ganahan ka?
Kaden! Happy, talay po toy. Talay toy si Kaden.
Ready na lang inyong suglanan. Dagan kayo na pa.
Kompleto na tanan na tagaan na og Happy Meal tayo ang mga kids. Sige. Wala na tanan, Miko. Ikaw pa lang sa mo na. Alright, so thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much, Mom and Sir, for booking McDonald's and celebrations of Miko's 7th birthday. So I hope in the next event or in the future you will still book with us. Mga different events po, not just birthday party, but we also accept mga other events. And for that, just inquire under Rinso sa Samoa or sa Lalo. Then, thank you kids for being so active and energetic na pag-play sa game. Especially itong mga adults na naulawan ko na hi. Char. Thank you guys, and I hope na safer mo sa inyong pag-ulit. So, have a great day everyone. Let's give ourselves a big round of applause for making this day possible and memorable, Sad. Happy birthday, Mika! God bless you! Bye-bye! See you around po mga dear customers na sa McDonald's.
Thank you.